During WWDC 2023, Apple finally unveiled its Spatial Computer Vision Pro. By blending digital content with the physical world, the company's CEO Tim Cook describes this as the first product made by Apple that you look through, not at. Even though there is a fair share of mixed reality headsets out there, many fail to overlay digital elements on top of the real world properly. However, Apple's headset has no such problems. Apple's Vision Pro comes with a seamless 3D layered UI. This overlay effortlessly wraps on top of the natural world using advanced tech. However, the best thing about it being three-dimensional is that the Vision Pro's digital overlay is dynamic, which means it reacts to natural light and casts virtual shadows on surfaces. 1. Displays better than 4K TVs. As a Meta Quest 2 user, I've always had reservations about its relatively low-resolution display that causes eye strain and blooming around the edges. While the Vision Pro did fix that to an extent, it's not fully there. However, the displays inside were one of the Apple Vision Pro's best features. The headset comes with dual micro-OLED panels with a combined total of 23 million pixels. For those unaware, that is a stunning level of pixel density. The displays also support a wide color gamut and high dynamic range. And while the exact resolution and brightness were not shared, the company has claimed that each display will have a better resolution than a 4K TV. This is a welcome addition to the Mr. headset, as without displays that can deliver the required visuals, the promised experience would be useless. 2. Environment support. Even though the Apple Vision Pro is a mixed reality headset, it naturally has the capability to turn your real world into a virtual one. While the headset has a UI overlaid over the real world, it can be traded in for some beautiful landscapes that will surround the headset wearer. Through the crown, the environment's intensity can be changed to either a minimal level or completely virtual, like in a virtual world. The foreground process never stops, which is the best part, regardless of what you do. Therefore, you may swish the crown and watch the world behind you melt away whether you're at a conference or watching a movie on an airplane. 3. iCloud Eyesight or Apple Eyesight. Although it's easy to become completely lost in the environments of the Vision Pro, Apple has made sure that those on the outside pay just as close attention as those inside. For instance, the Mr. headset features a special feature called Eyesight that allows users to see the outside world via the eyes of the inside user. The Vision Pro appears to have become translucent thanks to an external display that lights up and enables this. When Apple Eyesight detects an outsider close to the user, it intelligently activates. Even the non-wearer receives visual signals regarding what the headset user is doing. On the other hand, the Vision Pro user will see the external user in great detail layered over their current surroundings and UI. According to Apple, the goal of Eyesight is to keep you connected to others around you even when the Vision Pro is turned on. This makes Apple Eyesight one of the Vision Pro's top features because of the thought that went into it. 4. Spatial audio. The multimedia experiences highlighted above will naturally be best experienced with audio that surrounds you completely. So while the Apple Vision Pro headset doesn't have surround sound audio, it will still deliver the same experience. This is made possible by dedicated dual-driver audio pods inside the headset headband. Apple's spatial sound technology is used in these audio pods to essentially improve the soundscape. This enables virtual surround and gives people the impression that the sound is all around them. It is important to remember that these audio pods are not in-ear and may not be ideal for audiophiles. Nevertheless, we anticipate that one of Apple Vision Pro's strongest features will be these pods. Apple Vision Pro is a powerful and immersive device that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. It is a great choice for people who are looking for a high-end VR headset for gaming, work, or entertainment.